Hey guys, hope you guys had a good day trading today. Kind of a tough day trading. Premiums were really not paying super great, honestly, but overall good day still. Finished green. So, biggest thing, I kind of put this arrow over here yesterday. Actually, I was thinking that we are here for this candle, and now we are here, which is making our leg down. So, we did test the daily AEMA right here. That support did hold, so that was kind of hoping to see it close below it. But the biggest thing is that we did a lot of fighting around this 368.6 level. I was kind of saying we have this bigger 378.3 to 356.5 range, and then really inside of that, this 368.6 level is pretty much the 50% retracement level here. Once we get through this level, I'm going to be more apt to think that we are going to test 356 again. But as I was saying yesterday, the farther we are closer to 378 without going over it, the more bearish I'm going to be looking for a retest down here. I am still expecting a retest down here, especially with Tesla's earnings today. Key support for tomorrow is still this 368.7 range, followed by 363.9, followed by 359.9, and then followed by our actual support at 356.3. Resistance right here at 371, followed by 375.2, followed by 378.3. Looking at futures, so I said yesterday on futures that we had that big gravestone doji, and I would expect some downside coming from there. So we did have that huge after hours yesterday thanks to Netflix, but obviously none of that really mattered because we finished red and we had open red. But the biggest takeaway here is we did close back below the daily 200 or 20 EMA. We held this resistance at 3760. We nearly you could pretty much call it a bearish engulfing candle. We pretty much broke even with that candle body right here. So a gravestone doji followed by a bearish engulfing daily with holding this 20 EMA resistance at 3720 tomorrow and hopefully breaking through 3680. We should look for this downside test of either tomorrow, most likely the next day, of 3580, 85 though. This daily AEMA and this overall 3680 level right here will be key to close below tomorrow. So looking at Apple, Apple really doesn't look bad. It's kind of really just in the big consolidation pattern still. We did reject the 20 EMA, and we're just holding this 143.8 resistance right here, but we did hold support 141.7. We will look for this support of 141.7 to get taken out tomorrow, and then we're going to look for that retest of 138.2. If we break through this and close below here, this is similar to SPY closing below 356.5, and from there I will look for downside. With the iPhone production cut and with Tesla missing on earnings, I mean, yes, it did beat, but its revenue was bad and its guidance wasn't wonderful. I do wonder if we're going to see Apple and overall tech kind of start pricing in some worse earnings as we go forward next week. So Tesla, I was saying that we did break out of that bear channel. We are basically in a different one now. We did reject the daily AEMA today breakout, and I pretty much was expecting what was going to happen, that we would see a beat on earnings, but we would see a miss on overall like revenue and guidance, and that's pretty much what happened. So last I checked, it was down about 3%. Let's see what it actually closed at. It closed down 6.3%. So we'll be looking. This 205 level is about where it bounced off on the first candle right there. It bounced at let's see, 206.3. So I'm going to be watching this support closely. Once we close below 205 support, we'll zoom out here. You guys can kind of see where I'm looking. You can see this downward channel. This gives us support around the 270 range for even Friday, possibly next week, or I mean, really, we could see a support test of 177 even as early as this Friday. That is a big support level. If we break through that, then really we got to look at the weekly, and we could be seeing a level all the way down here into the 120s. Looking at the VIX, we're still in this bull channel that I was telling you about. Overall, we held the 20 EMA, but we did reject the daily 8 EMA. We did break through this resistance line that was this downward channel. And I was kind of mentioning this looks like a nice bull flag. And if holding true, this bull flag should break out tomorrow, if not the next day, as long as we don't break below this 30.5 level. The biggest thing, though, that everybody's saying the bottom was in, if you look back here to the June low, we had the big spike right here, and this was June 16th. It was a massive spike and retrace, followed by a huge red day the next day, and then we pretty much just sold off from there. We're not seeing the same stuff. So this was CPI. So you can see that CPI didn't even, when we put the new 52-week low in, didn't even break the high. So overall, I still think we have some upside, and I really think we're going to touch the 38s to 40s before we finally see a bottom. We could obviously see a bigger move up still, but until really we break below 28.4 and spike or VIX closes below that, I struggle to believe in a bullish case for SPY and the markets going forward. All right, I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Hope you guys have a good day trading tomorrow. Thanks for tuning into this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like what you saw, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button to stay updated. I am providing my Discord link right here. That's a lifetime link. If it doesn't work, go ahead and send me a message and I will get you a new link. I do have a pre-market update I do every day where I update with supports and resistances and different scenarios that might play out through the day. I also do a live commentary throughout the day with updates and changes, and I do push out buy and sell alerts on SPY and other tickers that I'm trading at the time. Currently, membership is $20 per month or $228 per year. You can follow me on YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, or TikTok under SPY Optionaire or Reddit under Daddy Dirch.